Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to get and enable the old desktop context menu in Windows 11. Click search icon, type Notepad. Copy registry text from description and paste it. Click File, Save As. Save as type to all files. Encoding to ANSI. Type any name with .reg, click Save. Double-click to open, click Yes. Restart system. Right-click Registry file, click Edit. Click Search icon, type Registry, right-click Run as Administrator. Go to path described in the editor. Simply delete this key. Close and exit registry. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.